Hello everyone, my name is Kanat and the surname Orynbaev, and our team has Alikan Aiyp, Alikan Kaidar, Alibek Kadyrkulov, Zhandos Zhanatov, Daryn Zhambyl. And let's start. Our app has in the first that registration, there we can create new users. For example, let's write the name of user, then our surname, then login, yes, then some password. We sign into the website, we write the password. We have a home page. As you can see, there is empty because we haven't any posts. And there we have profile page. There we can change visibility of user and can see some information about user and post any post. The post text array is connected to the web socket, to the client and server. Then we have users page, notification, and the friends. That all is empty because we haven't any users, notifications, and the friends. Let's write some posts. Let's post some posts. For example, I'm Kanat. I am student of Astana IT. For example, we post and we redirect to the home page. There we have our post that already we posted. There we can comment to this post. For example, wow, it's great, like this, and we send it, saved and shown to all, and that is so. I think we sign out and let's create new user. For example, Daryn Zhambyl, and login Daryn 3, then some password, and then, for example, we assign into our website by Daryn. There we can see that Kanat's posts that already posted, and we can comment to this post. For example, so bad. For example, it's posted and saved, or it's send it and save it. Then we can also see our profile and post something. For example, yes, I am Daryn, and it's Java assignment with web socket. For example, we post it and it's saved to this there, and we can comment to this, hey, for example, and send. It's saved in the comment. Then we can see that users, there we have Kanat Orynbaev that already registered to this website, and there we can see that login and visible to all this, and we can see that profile page of this user. They have posts of user and some information about user, and we can send request to friend to this user, and it's sent. and Kanat should accept us for go to the friend. And I can change our profile page visible to friend, to only friends, that they writing that all users, and we change it that it writes to only users visible. Then that's so, and we going to the that our first user that cannot. Then we write the password and then sign in. Then we have users Daryn Zhambyl, and we can't see this profile because his profile is only shown to the friends. And there we have notification that Daryn wants to be friend with us, and we can accept this, and we can see that friend list that Daryn has there. Okay, and I accept that. Then we have, and we can change our posts visible to friend, only friends, and change. And we sign out. Then, for example, let's create some user like this. I think this. Then, for example, then password something QRT, for example. Then, yes, like this. And we created a new user, and we can go to the home, and we can see only Daryn's post. We can't see that Kanat's post because we don't friend. We aren't friend with Kanat. Then we can add friends and so, and I think it's so. And let's show you to the our code some. There we have post control and the user controller. There we catch that some URLs that related to the posts, and answer with response some. And they have, for example, our index page. There we send that a list of posts that to show the user, and that post it's like posting some new post, no new comment something. There we have visible update of posts, and there we have comment save to for comments to save and write them. And there we have add post, and there, for example, we have user controller. There we have some registration, and registration that for creating new user, register save, and for login checking, and if login and the pass is correct, we saved, we give the user some token, and its token save it in the cookie, the where it's I think that's so it's not important. So we get some token, and we save its token to the cookie, this, and its cookie works in 50 minutes, and after the 50 minutes it's deleted. That's so, and we have some entities, for example, like this: friend, comment, post, and user. Then we have models, some comment, login, post visible, and we have repositories: friend repository, post repository, scene repository, user repository, for working with a GPA and with a database, with SQL. So we have services, um, and for working with code, some work, some action do. And we have socket. The our socket has a client part and server part. Server part has server main for run to the server, and that user trait has for that accept the users, and to the and the user trait is saved to the our hash map user trait map. The user can't uh, connect and again, uh, and it's not copied because it's checked. So we have some operations, that some work, some output, some inputs, and we have clean part. We have hostname, port. Then we catch that by hostname and the port and the username. We check it username, password. It's so okay. It's we give the user is valid true. So we have read treat and the write treat for work comfortably, and for input, for output. That so that's so, and we can token helpers, that the token cookie, we save it to the cookie or token, and after 50 minutes it's deleted. So it's and there we have token helpers. There we use GWT token, Java Web Token. There we build this token and some algorithm separate word and compact this. Then we have two methods. First is get token only, and then get login by token. We so and it's so I think, and we have HTML, CSS files for interface, for web design, for so I think it's so. And as you can see, we have friend that has sender and acceptor, and the accepted is false. We created that user's connection friend with this table. So it's so I think. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.